Hi there, welcome to www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at planning a holiday. So this is a little bit of work on real life numeracy skills, and we're going to look at a fairly detailed example here, so I'm just going to jump straight into it. So we've got a few bits of information here, different types of seats available in the Eurostar train, standard, standard Premier and business Premier, all the kind of information on the table basically. The fares are in euros and for one adult only. Key parts, and then what I would do with this kind of thing is just highlight the key things that you think are going to be important. So children, up to the age of 12, pay 70% of the adult fare. Travel insurance is shown in the table below, so it's €40 per person, but again, children up to the age of 12 only pay 50%. There's also a €6 fee for all credit card transactions. So here's the key thing. Mr. and Mrs. Dubois and their two children, aged 6 and 11, want to travel from Paris to London on the Eurostar train. So here's the key kind of information for the question. They decide to buy standard semi-flexible tickets. So we've got two adults and two children under 12, both under 12. Okay, so standard semi-flexible tickets, well, we're looking at standard, semi-flexible. So we're talking about €220 per ticket for an adult. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just itemize everything kind of individually. So for the tickets, we're going to be 220 plus 220 for the two adults, plus now the children, the children only pay 70% of that. Okay, the children pay 70% of the price. So 70% of 220, which would be 0.70 times 220, that's €154. I'm not putting the units in here because it's not a final answer. You can if you want though. So each child is going to be €154. So we're going to add that to our total. So 154 plus 154. That tells us we're getting a total of €748 there. Okay, so €748. All right, now moving on. They also want to buy travel insurance for all 4 people in the party. So travel insurance is €40 per person, but up to the age of 12 pay 50%. Okay, so we've got 40 the insurance. We've got 40 for the adults each, and half of that, which you can probably do quite quickly in your head, 20 for each child. So that's €120. Okay, now they pay by credit card. So for credit card, we get a €6 fee. Okay, and they have budgeted €800 for their travel costs. So what we want to do is find the total of all these prices added together. So that's the 748 plus the 120 plus the €6, and that's €874. So total there, adding this, and this together, would equal €874. They have budgeted €800 for their travel costs. Have they budgeted enough? Well, in that event, you would say, no, they have not budgeted enough. So I'm going to take some space, just we'll scroll down a little bit. So let's say they have not budgeted enough since €874 is greater than €800. Okay, just a little statement at the end confirming your answer, not just a no or yes, but no because 874 is bigger than 800. Okay, something along those lines. Now, there's varieties of different holiday kind of planning situations you can get into. It could be flights, it could be luggage, it could be travel insurance. The key thing really is highlighting and breaking down. Look at what I've done here, break it down into its little individual parts. Do one part at a time. Think about the flights, think about the luggage, think about any travel insurance, think about if there's maybe accommodation taken into account as well. Anything like that, and break it down into its little individual parts. Don't try and think of everything at once because it's too much and it'll just end up getting really, really confusing. Okay, so hopefully you found it useful. For other maths videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and please share this video. Thanks for watching and have a mathemagical day.